this video will be shorter. It's going to be explaining the spousal and the dependents part of the form here. Okay, everything else on the form stays the same, except when it comes to these two questions here. If they press married, or if they say they're married, and you click it, then the spousal information section will pop up here. And if they claim any dependents on their taxes and you press yes, then the dependents section will pop up here right below the spousal information section. Okay, so these two sections work the same way. All right, so these sections will pop up here, and we can go into these sections here, and if anything is missing, any red asterisks are not filled, this error will pop up. Now, if the person is planning on having their spouse covered as under this policy, you press yes. If not, you press no, and it'll work the same with the dependent section. Okay, so this question has to be answered. All these questions will have to be answered if they press that they filed their taxes married. Okay, so spouse's name goes here, their social goes here, their gender. If they're pregnant or a smoker, or if neither, you press NA, their birthday, the company they work for, or the kind of work that they do if they're self-employed, or you can press this button if they're a stay-at-home spouse. Then you enter their work phone number if they work at a company, and if they're just a stay-at-home spouse or if they're self-employed, you just press this button here, same number, and then their income as well. Okay, so their income will also have to be added to the main client's income, or sorry, this section here. This will have to be added to this section, or the amount that the spouse makes will have to also be added to added with the client's income too, and it must still fall within this number here all the way, or sorry, it would be a household of two if they're married with no children. So the minimum they can make to qualify would be $20,440 all the way up to $30,660. Okay, and this is just in the case that they are married with no children. Okay, it's still considered a household of two. So as long as the client's income and the spousal's income, as long as both of those add up, still fall within these guidelines. Either here, if you're signing them up in December, or if you're signing them up in November for a December 1st start date, or here if you're signing them up in December for a January 1st start date. Okay. Now we move into the dependent section. All right, same thing. If they click up here that they do have dependents that they file on their taxes, then all the information has to be filled out. Okay, and the first dependent's information will go here. First name, last name. Will they be covered under this plan? Yes or no? Most likely it's going to be no, because all children under the age of 18 will most likely be on Medicaid. Okay, so unless the parent specifically tells you that they want their child to be included on this plan, you're going to select yes if they want the child to be covered under this plan, and no if they want to keep their child on Medicaid. Okay, again, Medicaid is very hard to obtain in Florida, so make sure that no one, when you're filling out this information on the form, that no one is going to lose their Medicaid benefits. Okay, and then the child social, the child or whoever the dependent is on their taxes, their social will have to be required as well, and that goes for the same for all the dependents here. There's up to 7 dependents. Okay, now if for some reason the person has, or the couple has more than 7 children, you're just going to put it in the additional notes section here, and you're going to type in the dependent's name. Okay, and then the next section, you're going to specify whether they're male or if they're female. The next section, you're going to put their birthday. You can just enter their birthday with dashes. And then you're just going to put a Y if they're going to be covered, and N if they're not going to be covered. Okay. So that is the full tutorial on the dependent section and the spousal section here.